Morning, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to come to you via video and just give you a few reminders as we head into the latter part of this week and head into the weekend. One of the things that you will notice throughout the semester is that I will be coming to you and doing some videos like this just to kind of give you some reminders about things in the course, giving you some feedback about assignments as a class, things along those lines. One of the reasons why I like to do this is one, it tends to be a little bit easier sometimes than typing things out, and also it gives you all a chance to actually see me as a real person instead of, like, I guess, a robot of some sort that's just kind of grading your work here and there throughout the semester. So a couple of reminders that I want to give you. First one is that your attendance quiz and the mandatory attendance quiz and your introduction discussion board, that's the initial post and two replies, that is due tomorrow by noon. That is a deadline. Just make sure to meet that. One of the things that I want to give you a heads up about with your introductory posts. So the introductory post is meant to be very much you just introducing yourself to me and to your classmates. And what I'm going to be doing with that particular post is, if you have done the post and you have done the two replies, you will receive full credit for that assignment. I'm not going to be nitpicking that with any major details. But one of the things that I am going to be doing with the introductory post is going through and giving you some feedback about particularly grammar concerns and sentence level structure concerns that I might see within the assignment. Again, I'm not going to take off any points for that, but I'm using it as almost a diagnostic of sorts to kind of let you know how you're doing with certain things and giving you some feedback about those. And then what I'll be doing in turn is, once I grade all of the introductory posts, is providing you all with several resources from issues that as a class you might be struggling with, and I'll make those available to you so you can use those in future discussion posts, but also looking toward the papers that you'll do later on in the semester. So again, the mandatory attendance quiz and the introductory discussion board, the post and the two replies, are due tomorrow by noon. The second thing I want to remind you of, the plagiarism assignments. So the plagiarism quiz is going to be due on the 23rd, and the plagiarism post is going to be due on the 24th. The quiz, I do want to make you all aware, if you didn't already know, because I know some of you have taken the quiz already, you do have 2 attempts to do the plagiarism quiz. So it will actually record the highest attempt. The highest attempt is what will be taken. So if you happen to take it once and you don't do so well, do know that you have the ability to take it again. And then when it comes to the plagiarism post, do note that you only have to do an initial post. You do not have to do replies for that particular board. And then the final thing I want to note is office hours. So you may have noticed when you were looking through the syllabus that I do have office hours every week, where I am available to meet with you online, speak with you over the phone if you have any concerns or questions about anything. My office hours are going to be on Fridays from 2 to 4. That's going to be my standing office hours. If for some reason it needs to change, I will let you know as quick as I possibly can. In many cases, it requires me just to kind of adjust the hours on Fridays, although sometimes it might require me to move the hours to another date during the week. And if I have to do that, I'll make sure to let you know as early as I possibly can so that you can make arrangements accordingly should you need to speak with me about anything. But of course, know that if you don't reach me during my office hours, if you don't have a concern during office hours, you can of course reach out to me via email through the GoView email very easily, or you can email me through my West Georgia email, and I'll get back to you as quick as I possibly can. The goal with an online class is that I'm here for you all as much as possible and to answer any of your questions that you have in a timely manner. So I think that's it for now. Again, if you need anything, please reach out to me. Otherwise, I look forward to, again, being online tomorrow for office hours from 2 to 4 and working to get through your introductory posts shortly thereafter. Hope you guys have a great one.